Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to manage multiple accounts in Bluevine. It's going to be a quick video. We're not going to waste too much time on this topic. I'm just going to give you guys a very quick step-by-step guide on how to get this done. So let's get into it. Now, the first step is to log into your Bluevine dashboard on the website or mobile app. Once you're in, from the main menu, select the account switcher option. This lets you toggle between different Bluevine accounts if you open more than one. Now, label each account clearly, for example, operations, savings, or payrolls, so that you know which funds are designated to which account. Now, when making payments or transfers, double check that you've selected the correct account before confirming. You can track balances and activities separately. Each account has its own transactions and statement sections for much easier bookkeeping. If you use accounting softwares, synchronize with each Bluevine account individually to keep records accurate. Review all accounts regularly to ensure that cash flow is distributed correctly across your business needs. And that's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.